Russ, there's a lot of enterprise discussion about modernization. What are the key technology challenges being faced in today's environment, and how can organizations overcome these obstacles?
Yeah, another good question, Mark. I think some of the challenges being faced by organizations as they modernize is the variety of technology options that are out there available to them. It's important to take time to evaluate these technology options, the paths and platforms available. Making a decision that is going to get you to market the fastest with the least friction and allow you to continue to improve and deliver to your customers is really important. Far too often have I worked with different teams that have used technology because it's potentially novel or fun to learn or may offer some fantastic ability. But these tech stacks may ultimately be found to be very difficult, might have steep learning curves, complexities, which may ultimately make it slower for you to get to market. For example, machine learning is a fantastic technology when wielded in the right applications, but not all applications require machine learning. Sometimes a real simple interface that the users can navigate gets you to market that much faster. Inside an organization, and especially inside a technology group, it can sometimes be hard to always understand and maybe even empathize with your end users in a way that creates the best possible applications. Really all this to say is to take your time, do your due diligence. You can maybe work with your UX team and really see if there's a simple solution that will get you out to market faster. That's the important.
Makes sense. Thank you.